What if light could never escape? One step closer, and there's no way back. Let's uncover the mystery of black holes.
What if Earth hides a secret below? Meet the Mariana Trench. It is Earth's deepest ocean trench. It is almost 11 kilometers deep. Even Mount Everest would fit inside. Sunlight never reaches the bottom. Only glowing creatures survive here. Only a few humans have visited. The pressure is over 1,000 times stronger. Strange animals call this place home. Scientists continue exploring its mysteries. Our planet still hides amazing secrets. Giant amphipods live in this darkness. The snailfish survives crushing pressure. Pressure exceeds 1,000 atmospheres. Special submarines explore these depths. Robots collect valuable samples. Life thrives near hot vents. Even tiny microbes survive here. Light helps predators hunt prey. Sadly, plastic has reached here too. Every mission reveals new discoveries. Most of this world remains unexplored. The ocean still holds countless mysteries. Black holes slowly evaporate over time. Stephen Hawking predicted this amazing effect. Most galaxies hide giant black holes. Our galaxy has one called Sagittarius A. We discovered it by tracking nearby stars. You can orbit one from a safe distance. But getting too close is fatal. Gravity warps both space and time. Even light bends around these giants. Some black holes launch enormous energy jets. Billions of black holes may exist. Black holes remain one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Scientists are still uncovering new secrets. Sometimes two black holes collide. The collision creates gravitational waves. We can detect these ripples from Earth. Could black holes hide wormholes? No one has proven that yet. Powerful telescopes continue searching. Not everything nearby gets swallowed. Our galaxy peacefully orbits its center. Seeing one up close would be unforgettable. Black holes challenge everything we know. What mystery should we explore next?